The unboxing and preparation of the Samantha Ultra Plush Pillow Top mattress is quite simple. This happens to be a full-size mattress compressed into a box that's about 15 by 15 by 42 inches. The Samantha Ultra Plush Pillow Top is made in the USA with 100% American components. Remove your mattress from the box and place it upon the foundation where it will be used. You may wish to get someone to help you with this step, as it is a bit of a heavy mattress. Before unrolling your mattress, please make sure it's at room temperature to avoid any potential damage to the foams contained within the mattress. First, begin by stripping away the outermost plastic band that's holding the mattress in its rolled shape. Do not cut this plastic sheath with a knife, as you'll risk putting a hole in your brand new mattress. Instead, use your hands to peel back this outermost wrapping, all the time taking care to not rip open that inner plastic wrapping that's used to hold the mattress as an airtight layer and keep it compressed. The outer plastic band usually wraps around the mattress a few times, so roll the mattress back and forth to peel this outer wrapping layer away. Once that's done, you're able to unroll the mattress and fold it back into a flat shape upon the foundation. Next, manually rip a hole in the plastic at one of the corners and allow the mattress to inflate and recover its shape. This is an innerspring mattress, so this will happen quite rapidly. Rip the plastic around the perimeter and slide it off from underneath the mattress. Now initially, some of your fabric may show wrinkles. This is very normal, and the spandex used within the fabric will help to eliminate these wrinkles as it recovers its shape. Let your new mattress rest for 24 hours. Then reposition it upon the foundation, and you'll be all set to enjoy your brand new Samantha Ultra Plush Pillow Top mattress.